Welcome to this Android and Google news, and this is, of course, on the Android channel. This is Friday, September the 28th, 2018, and today in our news we have SwiftKey app on Android. After being in beta for a while, Microsoft is rolling out the Microsoft Translator with SwiftKey app on Android. All you need to have is Microsoft Translator installed, and basically SwiftKey and the translator work hand in hand to correct all of those mistakes while you type. Well, Google has announced today services and tools called Virus Total Enterprise, and it is a portal for enterprise only where you can have any files checked out for malware with different antivirus software all at the same time. So it doesn't scan the file with one, it like scans with several antiviruses all in parallel at the same time. And of course, this is to try to have you use, or the enterprise use, more of its cloud services for security. Well, if you have a Nokia 7 Plus, you are one of the few lucky people that, once again, are getting Android 9 Pie. And the latest Google Android OS, of course, rolling out slowly to devices. So, it's interesting to see. Is that rollout a little faster on devices other than Pixel? I'm not sure, but at least, they're advancing. Of course, the most and the biggest company that you want to have that advances as fast as possible is Samsung. Google is being sued by Belgium because what's happening is that the Google Earth satellite images apparently show some of the Belgian military installations. So, of course, the government there isn't happy and says that that data should be removed and be kind of secret. So, I wonder, if they're going to start kind of censoring all of that everywhere. Google Maps is being updated with much more relevant information when you start to use it for trips. It will make it personalized so that you know what you like, because it knows what you like and what you want. So it will kind of show you more of the things you would like to see and the food you would like to eat. Also, it makes it easier than ever now to meet up with friends. So this is, of course, in the updates of the Google Maps. And if you have one of those, watches of some kind that is using the Android or the Google Wear operating system, well, Wear OS 2 is rolling out for devices, so maybe you'll have that new look and that new feel. Apparently, it makes a lot of improvements, and that it actually turns many of the devices that were kind of not super interesting into really cool devices suddenly. And this was the Android and Google News for Friday, September the 28th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.